So if you've got a client or somebody, maybe your boss or somebody within the wider team that's keen to learn or understand what's happening with your website, and they want to get a real snapshot of the information within Google Analytics 4, but you either don't want them to get stuck into the different reports that are available, or they just don't have the sort of the resource or the time, and they just want a kind of snapshot of the key bits of information, then that's kind of difficult to make in Google Analytics 4, but there is a way that you can get everything together, compile all of the relevant information, and then have it available in this report snapshot here. So this is one that's made as standard, but actually we can completely amend this and get in all the relevant information that we need. So let's do that now. So there's a few key concepts that we'll have to get to know before we to kind of build up this report snapshot that we want to create. If we go to the library section here, we can see that there's the function here to create a new report and create overview report. And this is the sort of the skeleton, the bones of what we're going to use to build that report snapshot. And we can add in lots of cards that are available to us in a templated way. So if we wanted to see event count by event name, or organic search console impressions, and active users by language, we can add those in. There's even other templated cards that are available. So let's do lifetime value and key events by primary channel group. So we build those in, and they will start to appear as a report overview. And actually we can move these around. So maybe you're aware that in terms of what's valuable to the business owner or your client, if you're in an agency, for example, are these certain metrics, then you can make sure that they're present at the top by just moving them around. So if we then click save, and let's call this test report here, and click save, and then go back and find that test report. If we right click or click on the three buttons here and click set as report dashboard, snapshot, sorry, when we go to the report snapshot, that's the information that we see. So that's the basic structure of what we're looking to do here. So what we need to do is create a new report, which is an overview report, and then build out that report with all the relevant information that we've got. But what about if you can't find all of the sort of relevant information that you need? There's something really specific that they want to see. Well, the way to do that is actually to build them out in your report dashboard here. So if we click, for example, I'm in the traffic acquisition report here, and if I click on customize report and then add in all of the relevant information that I need, I can create a new summary card here. So I can add in session source medium, for example, and session key event rate. And even if I need to, I can add a new filter. So I can just filter this purely by organic search, for example. So let's do that again. So here I am in the traffic acquisition report. I want to then customize this and create a new card here. I'm then going to choose session source medium as the drop down. And I'm going to choose session key event rate there, and the different visualizations are available to me. Let's choose this as a table, for example, or let's choose this as a bar chart. When I'm happy with that, I can click apply, and then when I go back and save changes to current report, click save. When I then go back and back into the library, and let's edit our test report here. If I go to the add card, we can see it here. So it's here, session key event rate by session source medium. Let's add that card in, and I know that's a valuable one for me, so I'm going to add that in. And again, if I click save and save changes to current report, when I then go back and click on the report snapshot, that's available for me there. Once this is all created and you're really happy with it, you can then let your client or your boss or somebody within the wider team know that whenever they click on Report Snapshot, it's available for them. But one nice feature actually is if you click on the Share This Report button, which is on the right hand side, you can actually schedule an email. So say for example you want to send this to your boss. For me, that's just me, and we choose the date, so let's send it at the 1st of February with the frequency monthly. We can then send that as a PDF at the start of every month. Again, we can change this though. We can change it to daily and click save, and then we just change the name to something relevant and add in the person who wants to receive it. Bear in mind that when you send this scheduled email, it's based on what you're seeing here, what you've set up. So you've got, for example, we've got the all users and we've got the last 28 days. But if we wanted to see the last 7 days or yesterday, for example, and then we schedule that email, that is how that would be sent. So they get yesterday's information sent to them at the start of every day, for example. Some of the limitations then, well, you can't change the color, for example, which would be quite nice. There isn't the opportunity, maybe say within Looker Studio, where you've got the opportunity to change some of the information here, like drill down, for example. You can't easily add a comparison with the click of a button. Those kind of things kind of draw back from what you would maybe like to see, and you'd probably build that out in Looker Studio. But I think as a starting point, this is a really nice way of being able to create a report snapshot that houses all the information you need for your client or your manager or a member of the team in a snapshot that's easily accessible. Hopefully that's useful. Thanks very much.